Alright guys, welcome back ulit, and as you can see guys, in just a minute, na-receive ko na po yung free na 520 pesos from Coinbase. And currently, meron na po akong total available balance sa BTC wallet ko na 0.022 BTC or 5,990 pesos. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko, and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hey guys! Welcome back sa channel ko. In today's video, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ko nakuha yung 520 pesos ng libre lang. Take note guys, legit 100% for free po ito. Wala kang babayaran ng kahit ano. Alright guys, so dito ko nga nakuha yung free na 520 pesos sa Coinbase. So ano nga ba tong Coinbase? Bali guys, ito pong Coinbase is isa ito sa mga pinaka-secured and popular platform or digital wallet worldwide. And yung headquarter po ng Coinbase guys is nasa San Francisco, California, and they broker exchange of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin with fiat currencies in approximately 32 countries, and Bitcoin transaction, and also guys, storage in 190 countries worldwide. So basically guys, para lang tong coins.ph. But in my opinion, mas more secured po itong Coinbase kasi US based po siya. Syempre kapag ka sinabi mong US based is in terms in security platform is mas strict po sila. And aside from that nga, yung mga Bitcoin transaction nga dito is stored in worldwide. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, yung coins.ph po is ang headquarter po niyan ay nasa Metro Manila. Anyways, going back tayo dito sa Coinbase, at kung makikita nyo nga guys, yung referral program nila is napakalaki po ng reward. So dito guys, kapag ka may na-invite ka dito and bumili or nagbenta ng any digital currency, at least 5,200 yung nirefer mo, parehas po kayong makaka-receive dyan ng 520 pesos for free. So ayun nga po guys, ituturo ko na sa inyo yung tricks na ginawa ko dito kung paano ko nakuha ng libre lang yung 520 pesos nang hindi bumibili or nagbebenta ng any digital currency or nang walang binabayaran ng kahit ano. So guys, make sure na wag kayong mag-skip and make sure na tapusin nyo yung video na to till the end, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up now. So guys, first thing first na dapat nyong gawin is kailangan nyo pong mag-sign up dun sa mismong invitation link or referral link. In my case, may ginamit po akong referral link and dito po ako mag-sign up. Alright, so nakapag-create na ako ng account, and yung una nyo munang gagawin dito guys is kailangan nyo munang ma-verified yung account nyo. Para lang din siyang coins.ph is kailangan nyo rin mag-provide ng ID for verification. So dito sa akin guys, in my case, ang gagamitin ko po is passport.
I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Alright, so wait lang natin ma-verify, and usually guys, it takes a minute only to verify your identification. Okay, so check natin sa email ko. So as you can see guys, wala pang 1 minute, instantly na verified na po yung account ko and pwede ko na siyang gamitin to buy or sell any digital currency. Alright guys, so here's the trick para maka-earn tayo ng free 520 pesos sa new account natin. So punta lang tayo dito sa account. And ang gagawin natin dito is magka-transfer lang tayo ng funds. Since meron akong funds sa CoinsPH digital wallet ko, gagamitin ko po yan to transfer here. Alright, so click lang natin tong receive. And click I understand. So copy lang natin tong wallet address ko. So punta lang tayo sa CoinsPH wallet ko. And kailangan ko lang mag-transfer or mag-send ng above 5,200 dun sa Coinbase wallet ko para makuha ko yung free na 520 pesos.
above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Alright guys, as you can see, pumasok na po dito sa BTC wallet address ko sa Coinbase yung tinransfer kong funds from my coins.ph wallet. And about sa 520 pesos na makukuha ko, hihintayin ko na lang po siya na pumasok dito sa wallet ko within 10 minutes. As per sa mechanics ng referral program nila, which is eto. So as you can see guys, the payout will typically arrive about 10 minutes after the transaction. Alright guys, welcome back ulit, and as you can see guys, in just a minute, na-receive ko na po yung free na 520 pesos from Coinbase. And currently, meron na po akong total available balance sa BTC wallet ko na 0.022 BTC or 5,990 pesos. Dahil nakakuha po ako ng free reward sa referral program nila by doing simple tricks. Alright guys, be sure na basahin nyo rin tong mechanics ng referral program nila and yung important notice. And that's it for today guys. Kung may mga questions kayo, just leave them below and I'll try my best to respond each of you.
Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.